Okay, this is Unit 4, Simple Meter Dictation. We are introducing the 8th and 2/16ths and the 2/16ths and 8th patterns that you see in that final measure of the example. The 8th and 2/16ths, 1 and 2 and make sure you're able to count that and you sort of know what it sounds like. And then the 2/16ths and 8ths are going to be 3, 3 E and 4 E and. Okay, so they're very distinctive rhythmic patterns, but do make sure that you clap and count them enough that when you hear it, you sort of automatically relate how that is written, the 8th and 2/16ths and the 2/16ths and 8th. Okay, so I'll clap and count the entire example. These are all the rhythms that we're working on thus far. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and 4 E and. Okay, so do work through that. Make sure you can tap your foot, keep the beat steady, clap and count the rhythms. I do know sometimes for students that's difficult to coordinate all of that. I assure you, as you work to coordinate all that and that you're able to do it, you will get better and better at rhythmic dictation if it's something you struggle with. I'll also say being able to tap your foot, keep the beat steady, and then clap and count rhythms is a skill that you need to be able to demonstrate for your students, so that if that's not something that you're comfortable with, do work on it, and your rhythmic dictation will improve as you do. Okay, so moving along to our rhythmic dictation example. This will be 2 measures of 4/4 using all of the rhythms that we've had thus far. I'll play the example once, again repeat it as many times as you need. You'd have 5 listenings on an exam. I'll count off 4 and begin. 1 and 2 and 3 and